Welcome to Build Your 3D. In this video, we'll show you how to create a fully customizable T-piece using our online parametric configurator. Instead of spending time designing pipe fittings in CAD software, simply enter your dimensions, update the preview, and generate a custom 3D model in just a few seconds. This configurator is ideal for hydraulic systems, pneumatic applications, custom pipe networks, industrial prototypes, laboratory equipment, and many other engineering projects. Every dimension is generated automatically based on your input, making it easy to create fittings that match your exact requirements. Let's configure a custom T-piece. We'll begin with the main pipe length. For this example, we'll enter 60 millimeters. This defines the overall length of the main pipe section. Next, we'll specify the outer diameter of the main pipe. We'll use 20 millimeters. Now we'll define the inner diameter. We'll enter 12 millimeters. Together, these dimensions determine the wall thickness and internal flow diameter. Next comes the branch length. We'll enter 30 millimeters. This controls how far the branch extends from the main pipe. Now we'll define the outer diameter of the branch. We'll use 18 millimeters. Finally, we'll enter the inner diameter of the branch. For this example, we'll use 10 millimeters. Once all dimensions have been entered, simply click Update Preview. Within seconds, the configurator generates a completely new T-piece based on your specifications. No CAD software, no manual modeling. Simply enter your dimensions and Build Your 3D creates the geometry automatically. The interactive 3D viewer lets you inspect the generated fitting from every angle. Rotate the model. Zoom in to verify the pipe intersections. Check the wall thickness. Confirm the overall dimensions before downloading or manufacturing. The preview accurately reflects the generated geometry. Whether you're designing hydraulic systems, pneumatic installations, custom manifolds, laboratory equipment, or industrial piping, Build Your 3D allows you to generate custom T-piece fittings quickly and accurately. Visit buildyour3d.com to explore more parametric engineering components and start creating your own custom 3D models today. Thanks for watching.